So I want to show you this device here from Sticker Fab and stickerfab.com. This is the phone mount. It mounts onto this Picatinny mount, and there's also a GoPro mount right here that they send. These are it's 3D printed. So far it seems to be pretty good. I mean, the quality of it's pretty good. Not super happy with the phone mount per se. Let's just slide this onto this Picatinny, and then it gives you this metal that you stick onto your phone and stick it on there. It holds pretty good without it moving around. I mean, you can see I'm there. Finally got it to move. But I mean, if you're off-roading, kind of going back and forth, it might move a little bit. Yeah, it's going to move actually quite a bit. So not super impressed with the phone mount, but it'll work for just normal everyday driving as a place to stick your phone. Now the GoPro mount, that'll definitely hold, because this goes in, this screws onto that, and then you know the normal GoPro mounts. I mean, that's not gonna be an issue at all. It's gonna hold. But the phone, I don't know. Well, let me show you their website. And it's $29 for just the rail only. Then you can I ordered the phone mount and the GoPro with the rail. And that's how it mounts. And I'll show you that. I'm going to mount it, but that's how it mounts. It's really good. I can tell it's going to be great for the GoPro. I just don't know about the phone. And they give you a little sticky. See that? I don't know if I'll use that or not. I think the screw right there is probably sufficient. But we'll do a driving test. I'm going to install this and do a driving test with both the phone and the GoPro. So the way that I'm going to situate it is, it'll be sitting like this, and it'll screw in just like it is here. And then I'm going to do the phone over here and the GoPro here, because I want to have full access to my phone screen, because I can see what's on the GoPro from my phone if you have the GoPro app. Okay, so there it is installed. I did take the sticky tabs off, and it seems to, it fits on these ridges pretty good, pretty solid. Don't see a lot of play in it, which will be good. The GoPro set up there, and then this screwed in pretty easily. This is way better than the last setup I had. Okay, so here it is installed with the mounts. There's the GoPro and the GoPro mount. And I installed them as far away from each other as possible. There's the phone mount. Now we'll do a drive test. So here's what it looks like all set up. Like I said, I'll have the GoPro facing that way, and then the iPhone can be pointed on me, as you see right there. So now let's try it. Okay, so I'm recording both the GoPro and me. We're gonna make a run up to the gas station, aren't we, Jack? Ready to go up to the gas station?
Yeah!
Alright, let's go.
Yes! Yes!
What?
Yes!
Oh, your DS.
Yeah!
Alright.
I got it.
We gotta watch for kids.
Yeah.
There's kids out here playing.
What?
Good thing is this Bronco has a damn good camera. It's got the top 360 and the backup camera is really big. Alright, let's roll these windows up. We're trying to test this camera mount out, Jack. See how it works. Hey buddy. You get out of the way. See if how it holds up over bumps. I'm not worried about the GoPro. I'm worried more about the iPhone. So let's just take a trip up to the gas station and see how much it shifts. I think the problem is the phone mount will be good if they made the metal ring that goes onto your phone, if they made it bigger, and if they made the base mount bigger. The radius just needs to be bigger. It's too narrow. So on a smaller phone like this iPhone mini, it would be perfect for it. But on a bigger, newer iPhone that's bigger, it's just, the phone's just too heavy. With the case, when by the time you put a case on it, the phone's just too big, too heavy. And then putting it on the mount, if you don't have it lined up perfectly, it'll slide around. And you're gonna take it off, try to re-stick it back on there. It's just, everything just needs to be bigger on that phone mount. But other than that, I love the way that it goes. I don't know if my GoPro shut off or what. The screen's blank on it. Damn it. Well, we'll check it. Turn it back on for the trip back, I guess. So far, so good. At least with the iPhone now. Like I said, we're just in the subdivision. Only running up to the gas station.
Dad, what are you doing?
We're going to the gas station.
Oh, yeah!
What are you going to get at the gas station? Skittles.
Skittles.
This guy right here was wanting to pull out.
Skittles.
Jack, now we're going to head back. See if we can get this thing to move. We need to find something to run over so it can shake us around. Wonder what we can run over. What do you want to run over, Jack?
No.
You don't want to run nothing over? She just cut right through the grass.
What?
She just cut through the grass.
I see it.
Would that be silly? If this thing moved.
Oh, that's silly. That's me.
Yeah, we gotta wait on this stupid light. I don't know why it's taking so long. There's a little rock right over there. We can try to run that over. Alright. That one right there, that'd be a good one.
Dad, move it.
It's alright. See those boulders? Those would be good ones to hit. Let's go to the playground and run those over.
No.
No? We gotta find something. Run down in that ditch.
take this turn.
He wasn't. He was sad.
Yeah.
Not you.
Here, let's see. Let's pull in here. Let's run over something in here.
No, 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 no. 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 No, no, no. No.
Let's run this over.
No.
All right, Jack, relax. See if we can get it to move. I don't know. That was pretty good. I mean, I didn't see the camera move much. Let's hit it back. Let's hit it again.
No. Let me back home.
Ready? Here we go. Boom.
Let's go back home.
Let's hit this one. All right, ready? Ready? Boom. Oh. It didn't move it. It didn't move my, so that's a, I don't know, that was a pretty good test, I think.
Dad, you
It held up pretty good. I'd still like to see
need Dad.
a bigger area for the phone to go on. But that wasn't
Stop bullying,
bad.